This is how you can take a screenshot of a certain area in your Chromebook. So what you need to do is you have to press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift and then Show Windows. If you don't know where those keys are located, I'm going to show you. I actually have a keyboard layout for Chromebook and I'm going to show you which keys that you have to press. So this is a typical keyboard layout for most Chromebooks, and the keys that we need to press are Ctrl, this is Ctrl key, Shift just above it, and then the Show Windows key. This is just above the I don't know, it's different. Sometimes there are the position could be different depending on the version or device that you are using, but basically remember this icon, this, I don't know the name of this icon, but basically there is a rectangular and then there are two lines next to it. So that's the key that we need to press. Now I'm going to do it. I'm going to press Ctrl Shift and then Show Windows keys. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of these three dinosaurs icons. I'm going to press Ctrl Shift and then Show Windows, and here you will see this option. So this is the screenshot mode, and there are three different presets that you can try. This is full screen. This is where you can select a specific area to be captured, while this option is for selecting or for taking a screenshot of an active window. So the one that we are going to use is actually this one, where we can select the area that we want to capture, and you can use the cursor to select the area. So I'm going to click and then drag this section, and yeah, I think this is good enough. Okay, so you can release it and you can click capture. So the screenshot has been captured, and it's really as simple as that. And if you want to know where the screenshot is stored, you can open the files option, the files app, and you can open the downloads folder. This is where it is. Oh, I forgot, it is not stored in the downloads folder on my Chromebook, but by default it should be stored on a Chromebook. So I actually store it on my Google Drive, so that's why you don't see that in this folder, but by default it should be stored in the downloads folder. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can take a screenshot of a certain area of your screen in Chromebook.